Morning! We're still in the same hotel, Nanya Hotel. Shout out to those. We've been here since we got to Chiang Mai, about a week and a half now. They're amazing here, and it's only like 12 quid a night, 11, 12 quid a night I think we've been getting it for.
Feels like we live here now, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Part of the furniture.
We just had some breakfast, we're fully fed. Where are we going today, guys?
The Grand Canynon Water Park.
It's people trying to sleep.
We're off to the Grand Canynon Water Park, and I can't bloody wait. It's like a huge inflatable track on water, like a bit like Total
Wipeout, isn't it? It's going to be nuts.
I'm so excited. This is the one thing
we've been waiting for since we got here, innit?
So, are you ready to have a little giggle?
Are you ready to have a little giggle?
Hold tight.
Let's get on the steed. All aboard the buggy.
All aboard!
Going down.
Oh my god.
This place looks insane.
I
didn't think it was this big. Absolutely huge, isn't it?
I'm gonna take you out.
Wow. Okay, locker this way. And toilets, women, men. Amazing, thank you very much. You're welcome. The life jackets are on.
Safety first.
Let's get in. Run!
Come on, Joakim.
How did that go?
I think I've shot myself.
Just one died. Gone for a half-time break, charged up the GoPro, got the other GoPro, ready to tackle the second ball. Let's go.
We are knackered.
Absolutely goners.
It's alright, we've had fun, haven't we?
Get off. Caught
We've
tan
had-
as well.
Caught a tan, yeah, looks like it.
Complain.
I'm definitely
You
white.
have as well, look, you look brown, bit brown there.
Gingers don't tan.
We just had nice lolly.
Ice lolly and I had a magnum.
These clippos are absolutely insane. They're called, I don't know what they're called that, but they're lemon and cola.
So we're gonna go on the zip wire now, because it's all in the price, so you might as well. And then we're gonna head home and hopefully get some food.
Hopefully we are getting some food. We're starving, we haven't eaten since 7:30, so Our bellies
That's
rumbling,
long.
didn't they? That was sick though, wasn't it?
It was amazing.
Really good.
I would love to come here with like
Loads of your
family,
mates. Yeah.
friends. Oh man.
Loads of mates, it would be amazing.
It would be, yeah.
Love it. It's hard work though, it is hard work.
Yeah.
You're going to be aching tomorrow.
I gave up on a few things.
You're going to be aching.
I've got a bruise already, but it was fun. Why am I so lush? Has it stopped?
So we're waiting to go out, and guess who we're waiting for? McNabs. Hurry up! It's time to go to the market. Hiya, we're going to the Sunday market.
Here we go.
So every Sunday they've got like a massive market in Chiang Mai. It goes down loads of streets for miles and miles and miles.
I think we're on the wrong side.
Yeah, we're on the wrong side. Whoopsie. So yeah, the market.
Apparently it's really big, like
Huge.
one of the biggest ones.
First on the agenda, we're going to try and get some food. We're starving, aren't we? We're only eating in ages. Oh, squeeze past. But yeah, as you can see, there's bloody loads of food here. Wow!
Can I have pad thai with no shrimp? Get in my belly.
Pad thai, I got chicken pad thai. Kez got
Pad thai with no chicken.
no chicken pad thai.
No meat for me.
70 baht. So what's that, like £1.30? £1.30, £2, maybe a bit more, so almost £2 that is.
If I don't eat for 2 days, can I buy something?
So although it's really busy, it's actually surprisingly quiet this market, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not very rowdy, like. It's quite so lively. It's nice. It's different to the other market. There's all sorts here, like from souvenirs to t-shirts to animals.
Ooh.
Kez, what have you found?
Some new shoes. That'll go right in my basket.
Uh-oh, found some music. What's that?
Squidward.
Show them what we got.
We're sharing it.
Chiang Mai.
Here we have
Chicken sausage,
a
mate.
monster of chicken.
Tasty, yeah.
How good on the scale of 1 to 10?
Well, you can tell it's processed. Chicken and it's sausage. But it tastes alright. And it's a bit of extra fruit. Hoi, hoi!
ด้วยความขอบคุณนะคะจากท่านประธานชมรมและสวัสดีค่ะ
This place literally goes on for miles and miles, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like we turn down the little side streets and they just open up to be like miles long. So we don't quite know how we're going to get out of here, but
That's the joy.
all fun and games.
Josh, I know how we're going to get business in the future. Hola, señorita.
ไม่ต้องมารู้ฉันเป็นอย่างไรแค่ปล่อยให้ใจฉันมันละลอย
So there's loads of like disabled people, isn't it? Like
So
on the roads on the way down, playing music and singing, but they're actually really good. That was amazing. Full day to them. Quite new and money. What are you searching for?
sunglasses. Because I broke mine, 2 of them.
You always break yours.
I know. It's because I wear them on my
There.
fucking head. Ooh. very tiring.
And hot. Trying to get somewhere. It's just hot, sticky, getting eaten by flies. And there's loads of people in the way.
Yeah.
It's not on. No, it's been good.
And we're still a bit hungry.
It's been good. We're always hungry. It's been really good actually. I've enjoyed this market. I think it's been the best market we've been to.
I'm so glad we've come here.
So chilled as well. Like.
Yeah. It's less.
Enjoying that.
Mới đi rồi.
Carry on.